Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this trend, what we can see that the crude price is moving like it's a volatile. If you look at the 1 or 2 years things, see the price we have seen the crude that it was moving in a particular range. Okay, and in the when this pandemic was hit, we have seen that the price of crude has gone to even minus, and now from there we have seen a sharp rise in the price of crude. See what we can see here, that now we can see there is again a green candle is forming, and what I would suggest that, and that's all my personal view, that this range is break now. Suppose if this range breaks upside 75 point, 75 point or 74.59, then I can see that it can touch a level of 76.85, because and this is what the range is a break. This is a range breakout. If you look at this is moving since January 15. You getting me what I'm saying? And it's a strong signal for buying. Okay, and I don't suggest for buying any. I'm just educating you, and please consult your financial advisor before investing. But what I can see through charts, I can see that there is since February 15th it has been in this particular range itself, and now what we can see here is that the high of this is around 76.90, and now the price is around 75.10. so suppose if this range breaks, okay, if it goes and touch a level of 75.82, which is the next resistance, okay, and if it stays above that level, then it can touch a level of 76.90, and suppose if it crosses this level, so then there is high chances that it can touch a level of 70. If it crosses a level of 77, then it can touch a level of 79.36 also. We can see a level of 83 also, because I can see there is a bullish side, because we have seen since if you look at this December 14, we have seen this is the range bound market. Okay, it is forming. So once the breakout happens in the upside, then we can see there that this is the range again it is creating. So this is a strong resistance 75.24. if it crosses this level, then we can see a level of 83.18. okay, once 83.18 is crossed, then we can see a good upside, and then we can see further high. This is a year chart I'm showing you. Now I will show you that how. See, if we look at this pattern, you can see this is a narrow pattern forms. So anybody who is trading would have understand this and would have sold at this position, and now it has the money they have made, it's very huge. Okay, if you look at from in 14th to around, it was continuously sharp fall, because it's a narrow pattern forming since 11 to for 3 years continuously. It formed a narrow pattern, and then from there it was continuously down. Okay, even at this level, if you look at this pattern, a pattern was created here, and then from there is a sharp rise. Okay, so there are a few technical things which you have to understand. If you want a workshop, you can mail me. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. Okay, in crude positions. Okay, and any doubt you can mail me. I've given a telegram link also, I've given mail ID also. Okay, now I will show you that how it has moved in a month. Okay, see, look at this chart. Price was moving month wise. Okay, so and it is few months chart I'm showing you. See, so that you will understand that where the price of crude is moving. See, this was the range before it was trading. Okay, it has moved at this particular range. Okay, so what we can see here, it is trying to create a narrow range. Okay, you getting me? So if this range goes upside, look at this particular range. So suppose if this range moves upside or downside, then okay, so what I would suggest you here is that suppose if the price moves above a level of 75.48, then we can see it can touch a level of 75.69, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 75.94, and once 75.94 is touched, then we can see a level of 76.13. okay, so this is it. This range has to break upside or downside, then only we can see there can be a rise in the price of crude. Okay, so now suppose if it goes above a level 75.48, then we can see that it can touch a level of 75.88, and then from there it can touch a level of 76.13. okay, suppose if it goes below a level of 74.92, now it is around 75. Suppose if it comes if it comes down to 74.94, then chances are high that it can touch a level 74.77, and once 74.77 is touched, chances are high that it can break this level and can touch a level of 74.448, because this level is already tested twice, 74.71, so it can touch a level of 74.48. okay, once 74.48 is touched, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 74.13. okay, on 74.13 it can touch, but if it stays above a level of 74.71 and upside, and if it breaks an upside target of 75.48, then we can see a level of 75.88, and from there we can see a level of 76.17. and after that, because upside we are seeing this after a 5 years in this particular, that the price of crude is moving so high. okay, but suppose if it goes below a level of 74.68, then we can see a level of 74.43, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 74.15, and from there we can see a level of 73.84. but what I'm looking is that trend is an upside if we look at 5-year chart, because if it goes upside, what you have to look at a 5-year chart. okay, because this is the range which is not come in just 5 years and have not reached, because in 2018 also it was below this level, and now it has reached a level all-time high of it has reached a high which is not have achieved in 2015. Now we have seen that if it crosses a level of 76.51, which is if it stays above 75, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 76.93, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level of 80, also 80.11, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 82.86. okay, so if you have any doubt regarding crude, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. okay, so now what I feel that and see, if you have any doubt also, you can I have posted a video where a link in the description where you can choose your timing, and then we can decide to meet for one-on-one conversations. okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.